Quick stop for some shopping, eh, Doc? Where are they going? Broken. They found another way in. Well, this thing didn't knock itself over. Tisha was busy here. Buying time for old Dad, I bet. But for him to do what? Re-aging clinic? The feck? You're telling me wrinkles are in now? I could pull it off. Bet I'd look fine as feck with some crow's feet. But why were the reeds here? Empty. No, this can't be the end. What am I even looking for? Re-wrinkle cream. Who'd buy this Constant? Hey, Constant! The only thing out of place. Hi, Constant. Got anything?
This has you written all over it.
Feck off! A secret door. You can't hide from me, Doc. Come out wherever you are. You owe me answers, you monster!
Wait! You don't understand!
I'm not a zombie!
What are you then?
I have no fucking idea. But you do, don't you? You kicked off the outbreak.
Dad? What did you do?
What did you do? I killed millions to save billions.
A whole city. Why'd you do it?
Because you were so rare. Only 1 in a million becomes a Newman, an autophage hybrid. I couldn't complete the cure without you.
The cure's worse than the disease.
No! No! The autophagy isn't an illness, alright? 25 years ago, I found a clock hidden in our DNA, counting down to the day of our extinction. When the clock hits 0, the autophagy will erupt in every man, woman, and child on Earth. I had to stop it.
It's in everyone. Everywhere.
Yeah, we weren't built to last. Take that. Conrad thinks the autophagy exists to create the Newman, but your anomaly's the best. Puppets at worst.
We're joined. In our minds.
Joined by what? What does it want? Either Lolo is blind to it or I can only spare a few drops, but it'll neutralize the autophagy, make you human again. All right? Now just go! Go! I can't hold on much longer!
No! Use it on yourself!
Sweetheart, you don't know what else I did. I modified an unborn baby. With the Newman blood, she becomes the cure. To be harvested every day for the rest of her life. I've taken everything from you. I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry! Get her up! Get her out of LA! Before
Time to go, Tisha. You can't help him.
Don't touch me!
I promise that you don't listen to this. Come on! Go on and run! Go! The new look suits you. On a power trip, huh? Come at me, hot stuff! Bring it on, you melter! Is someone angry? Got a little case of the dead there. Should probably see to that. Ah, my head. Oh, feck. Time to go. Tisha! Shite! Did she get out? No time. She's clever. She'll have gone straight for the helicopter. Oh, I've got places to be, you gowls. Move! Oh, God, bail up, you fuck! Okay, I'm alive. Now, get to the chopper. I'm gonna get that put on business cards. Danny, Slayer of Betrayers, Savior of LA. Now to shoot myself up with the cure and get the feck out of LA. Is Tisha here yet?
Who?
Feck. I hope she'd be here.
Oh, I haven't seen anyone. The doctor?
Euthanized. Oh, shite.
Goodbye. Again?
Wait!
It's what I deserve.
Cancel the pity parade. I'm here now. And I've got a one-shot cure. It was meant for me, but I can't dance to that tune. Time to play it again, Sam. Oh.
Not his head, you idiot!
Sorry. Force a habit.
You see, I'll always come back for you. Some reason, I'm starving. Got any of that pastrami?
Perfect. Hey. We gotta get going.
You should. I won't. The cure is out there, in a scared, angry girl. I know what that's like. I need to find her.
Here, go save the world.
Count on it.
Thank you. We won't waste this.
Good
Good
luck.
luck.
Just think it, and it's done.
Cadenza?
The song is incoherent.
Decided to stay with us?
Yes. To find Tisha.
That the only reason?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow,